Hello and welcome to Day 18. So far we've been able to simulate our robot, plan trajectories, we even have 3D perception. It's all very nice, but there's one little problem. The trajectories calculated by MoveIt are not very safe. The robot arm keeps crashing into things. The reason for that is that we have not configured MoveIt to use the 3D perception. If we do that, and that's a very simple process using the wizard, then we get as a result these beautiful voxel maps full of color, and most importantly the 3D information about the surroundings is taken into consideration by MoveIt, and the trajectories are safe. Unfortunately, we have one remaining problem. If we want to grasp the can of Coke, grasping involves contact, and it's at the end of the day collision, so we need to enable collision, or if you want, disable collision avoidance in the vicinity of the can of Coke. We did that writing a ROS2 Python node that spawns a cylinder in the position of the can of Coke and disables collision avoidance around it. Now, after we do that, we are finally ready to approach the can of Coke with a gripper and grab the can of Coke and serve it to our customers. So it was a long trip. It was made even more difficult because Arvis was a little bit misbehaving, throwing tantrums and crashing on me, but I'm really happy that we got it to this place. Thanks for watching and see you soon.